Week 2, day 3, leg day. Started off with some leg extensions, making sure to move really slow, wanting to pause at the top, feel the contraction, and then slowly coming back to the starting position. I do this for 3 sets of 15, and then I moved on to some prone leg curls. This set I did a little bit faster, and my second set I did a little bit slower. Both of these, there were 3 sets altogether. They were 3 sets of 15, moving really slow, really trying to squeeze the hamstrings at the very top, and then going fully down for that full extension at the bottom. Next were some pendulum squats. This was honestly the first time I had ever done these, and I can tell you that they suck. They're pretty hard. I tried to move slowly, but it is a unique motion, that's for sure. And then I did some hip thrusts here, 3 sets of 15, some hip abduction and some hip adduction. Both of those were done for 3 sets of 20. They burned.